Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever swiped your debit card at a store and wondered what actually happens behind the scenes? In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating process of using a debit card in 2025, where technology has made transactions faster and more secure than ever. Let's break it down step by step. First, when you tap or insert your debit card at a point-of-sale terminal, it sends a request to your bank's network. This includes details like the transaction amount, your account info, and even biometric data if you're using a smart card. In 2025, many cards now feature advanced security like fingerprint or facial recognition to verify it's really you. Next, your bank receives this request almost instantly through secure encrypted channels. The system checks your account balance to ensure you have enough funds. Think of it as a quick digital audit. If everything looks good, the bank authorizes the transaction and sends an approval back to the merchant in seconds. But what if there's an issue, like insufficient funds or suspicious activity? The bank might decline the transaction and notify you via your phone app, which is a common feature in 2025 for real-time alerts. Once approved, the funds are deducted from your account and transferred to the merchant's bank. This whole process, from tap to confirmation, often takes less than a few seconds thanks to high-speed networks. Now, let's talk about the tech upgrades. In 2025, contactless payments are the norm, with NFC chips making it super easy to pay with just a wave. Plus, blockchain technology is being integrated for added security, reducing fraud risks. And don't forget about mobile wallets. Many people link their debit cards to apps like Apple Pay or Google Wallet for even smoother transactions. Using your debit card responsibly is key. Always monitor your statements, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of skimming devices. By understanding this process, you're better equipped to handle your finances securely. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. What's your go-to payment method? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.